Hello everybody, welcome to Maedot Academy. We have made a new tutorial series on Arduino hardware and software programming. So if you are interested to learn Arduino from scratch, or if you want to leverage your skill, you are on the right place. For this tutorial series you need to have Arduino IDE software to program the Arduino board and Proteus simulation software in order to simulate on virtual board. We will install both softwares on the upcoming videos. If you have a real hardware it will be awesome, but do not worry. Most of the tutorials have simulation and real hardware implementation, so you can follow up the tutorial without a real hardware. I believe the tutorial will be helpful and fun. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.